Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. We're back from the lake and I'm ready to cook. So I'm going to do a dessert for you today that will be the beginning of my dinner, but that'll be a different video. So I've been seeing this dessert going around lemon lush, and you know I have been on a lemon kick. I don't know what it is, I love lemon anyway. To begin with today, I'm going to make a dessert. It's going around. It's called a lemon lush. And as I told you earlier, I have been on a lemon kick. But I want to show you how I'm going to do mine. And I've got to have my lid for my food processor here. I have got lemon sandwich cookies. And this is about 30 cookies. And I'm going to use them all, and we're going to have an 8x8 dish. Now, this is a no-bake dessert. You don't have to bake it. That's the one good thing about it. And our days have gotten hot. Now, the weatherman tells me it's supposed to cool off a little bit this week, but we're supposed to have some more rain. So we're going to crush up in our food processor here, if I can get the lid on, these cookies. Let's see. And we're using these lemon cookies for our crust. Isn't that a great idea? You can use graham crackers if you want, or the golden Oreos, the vanilla ones. I just wanted the lemon. I'm making a lemon dessert, so I am going to use lemon cookies. I have about 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Y'all know how much I love my butter. And I'm going to put it in here, and I'm going to let this machine whip it up for me. And this machine will mix all that up for me. If I can get this off. Sorry about all that. Now, can you see down in there how that mixed it up? So let's get us a spatula, and we are going to, you know what I want to do? I want to save out a little bit of that. You know why? I'm going to use it for a garnish. You know, we change our mind as we go along, right? We don't need much. That might be a couple of tablespoons. So we're going to put the rest in our 8x8. You do not have to spray it. This has enough butter in it to keep you from having to spray it. And we're going to pack it down. If you have a 9x9, you can certainly use it. Now, this recipe I'm doing is for 8x8. You can double it for a 9x13. But I want to pack this down real good. Yeah, my hands are super clean. I washed them very good. And I'm putting this in this clear dish because I want to see the layers. And you know, this would be good. You could put it in a trifle bowl and layer it like that if you want to. Let me rinse. I've told y'all before, hot soapy water when I'm cooking. I keep a sink of soapy water. Okay, that's ready, so let's set it aside. Now, what I want to do next is, I need another bowl. I have an 8-ounce package of cream cheese that I set out this morning so it could soften up. And we're going to put this right here. Let me get a clean spatula. We're going to put it in our bowl here. And I'm going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I've already measured out my lemon juice. And I'm going to use 1 cup of powdered sugar. And it doesn't have to be perfect. There we go. Let me grab my hand mixer because I want it. I forgot to get it out. We're going to mix this up, and then we're going to spread it on top of those crackers, the cookies. Okay, so let me get this mixed up really good, then, because I know it's a lot of noise. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you as we spread it in, and then we're going to make the pudding part of it, okay? This is taking but just a minute to get mixed up. I've showed you before, pull your beaters up as it goes and it'll get most every bit of that off. So, let's give it a taste. So we're going to spread this on top of these cookies. I can't imagine how delicious this is going to be. Gently spread it. You can use your little spatula here. You can use an offset spatula. Either will work. I'm trying to keep my crumbs all down. That didn't work. All down in the bottom. But it doesn't matter if you pick up some and it gets in the cheesecake. Cheesecake, cream cheese, cheesecake mixture. About the same, right? Looky there. Just don't waste a drop. Okay. Let's set some of this aside. Now for the pudding. We're not using the mixer for the pudding. It's too easy to do. I have 1 box of instant lemon pudding. That's all we need is 1 box. Again, if you want to do a 9 by 13, use 2 boxes. And I'm using 1 1/2 cups of milk. If you were making pudding by the directions on the box, it would call for 2 cups, but we want it to be a little bit thicker because we're going to pour this on top of that. You can use the hand mixer if you want to. You don't have to. It doesn't take but a minute for this to start thickening up. And if you want to put a little bit of extra lemon flavor in here, you can if you want to. If you can't, and I've heard some people say that they can't find the lemon instant pudding in their area, in their grocery store, buy you a can of lemon pie filling. That will work just as beautiful. So let me get this stirred up. I'm going to get it thick, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to pour it on top of all that cream cheese deliciousness. I got this all mixed up. Took me about a minute, and as it started getting thick, I just left it and let it sit for a minute while I cleaned up, and I want you to see how thick that is. That's what you want. So now we're going to put this on top of this cream cheese. Oh my, I can't wait. But once we get this together, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator, and I'm going to let it sit until dinner time tonight. And it needs to, everything's set up together and kind of marry and congeal, if that's the right word. But, yeah, this is looking so pretty. Can you see what I'm doing here? I am just spreading this out end to end. Kind of make it as even as you can. See there? Okay. Now, for the good stuff. I like whipped topping. I know I've heard people say about it, they don't like it, but they'd rather use homemade, and I love homemade whipped cream. But in this case, this will hold up a lot better. If we don't eat all of this, it might take us 2 or 3 nights actually to eat this. But that homemade whipped cream will start breaking down before this will. So we're just going to dollop it on there. It's as simple as that. Now, I've got the big tub. But you only really need about an 8 ounce. But if you want to put more, you can put more. It's up to you. And honestly, I didn't even use 8 ounces here. I may go back and add a little bit more. Let's see. I don't know. This is doing it pretty good. One more dollop. How about that? Right here in the center. And let's make some little peaks and give it some little character on the top, right? Now, remember the crumbs we reserved. I am going to just sprinkle these right on top. Just right on top. And that's going to, I wish I had a lemon, because I would love to put a lemon slice on top or some lemon zest. And that would really tell from looking at it what it is. But if you were to take this to a luncheon, a dinner you're having with some friends, or a picnic, a barbecue, then everybody would know by looking at it. Our lemon dessert has sat in the refrigerator today so it could set up real nice. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? See those layers? You ready for some lemon lush?
I love anything lemon.
I know. Isn't it refreshing? Mm-hmm. So we're going to cut us a piece of this, and we're going to go sit outside on the porch and watch the last bit of daylight. I think I need a knife. I'm trying to cut with a server. Oh, looky here. Can you see that? Oh, don't drop it. Oh, can you see that beautiful?
Well, that's your piece. Here's mine.
Look at that. Oh, my goodness.
Looks good.
Dive into that and tell me what you think. What are you doing? Oh.
Scraping that off.
You can take a taste and tell me what you think about it.
Delish. It's not too tart.
It's not real sweet.
Not real sweet. Not too lemony.
Look at there. Look at that bite.
Tastes good to me. Real good.
Told him I've been on a lemon kick lately.
Yeah, I think we both have.
But you're right, that is not too tart. Now, if you want a little more lemon tartness in it or a stronger lemon flavor, you could add some lemon extract in there. I just decided not to. We don't want it too tart, but we like the lemon taste, and that's what we're getting. And having just the cool whip topping on the top kind of tones it down from being real sweet.
Yeah.
So, and now lemon cookies for the crust.
That's good.
So, but thanks for joining us. Patchy's wanting out. All right, thank you for joining us today, and I certainly hope you enjoy this video and you'll give it a try. And if you do, please let us know. Thanks for joining. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll know when we post our next video.
Yeah, the more subscribers she gets, the more I get to eat.
Keeps us going. All right, we're going to go enjoy the last of the daylight. Thanks, everybody. See you soon.